was biggest sports video with Garton box some hey for the first time, as you can see the Kertomi base siya. So let's go open it up. So yeah, very quick lang tayo kasi gabi na. Wow, very nice. Here we have the box. Oh, may nagpatay yung ilaw. Yeah. Wow. Here's some instructions. So susunod ko na ito ang pack, no? So, ito yung ano rin. Wow. Very nice stickers. Tayo na mag-will to win. Tayo na mag-will to win. Palalo ang lahat sa will to win. Tayo na mag-will to win. So, yan lang. Yan na. Okay. So, sana makuha ko yung price pay. Ito nga pala yung price pay, no? Tyrano bit. Yes, blade Tyrano bit. Ratchet 60 and bit is stay quick yata. So, here is the pack. Oh, tapes. Hindi kaya makukuha natin. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, no! Nakuha natin yung hindi price pay. Meron pa rin isang bigat. Sayang. Ratchet. Here's the ratchet. Ay, tingnan ko lang natin dito kasi hindi ko makita yung ratchet ng mga name eh. Tingnan natin to. Sayang, hindi natin nakuha yung price pay. Rainhorn lang nakuha natin. Oh, wow. Shinobi Shadow. So, ito yung level 2 parts. Okay. So, ito Tyrano bit. Wow, very nice, comfortable. Wow. Then yeah, very nice. Very nice paper. For the first time takar to me. Later. Ay, bliktad. Huwag na nga to. Ito yung code. Then, plastic, syempre. Very heavy. So, ito yung ratchet. Wow, ube. Then, of course, the bit. Wow. Wow. I think na-jump to. So, let's go put it together. Wow. Wow, ang tight. Tigas ah. Very comfortable Takara-Tomy base. Sheesh. Man. Feels Takara-Tomy talaga siya. So, let's try battles. This base. Tapong ko. Itong box, lalagyan natin sa kanila. Sheesh. Stadium cheer. Yan, nalagyan ko ng karton na may harap. Let's go. Let's spin. Wow! Jumping! Oh! Jumping! Whoa! Sucks tip boy. Hindi niya ma-knock out si Dransword. Because Dransword is the best. Wow, very comfortable, huh? Oh man, at di ko manalo na Rhinohorn. Very gray. Let's go lang siya doon. Oh, Minecraft. Bang! Yes! Let's go. This one. Bro, it's rolling like a balls, mga balls. Mga balls. Got balls. Kasi nakuha natin. Ito, pangit. Dapat yung drone dagger na lang. Oh, shit. Panalo mo ulit. Come on, hit them like a puncher. Oh shit. Oh, she Minecraft. Bang. That's crazy. It's crazy. Let's go again. Another bit here. Go shoot. Go shoot. Hey, jumping bay. Woo! Bang! Bang! Panalo mo yan! I-burst. I don't know anong call doon. X-finish na. Break. Go. Clear. Sucks bay. Try natin siya iwaban sa Beyblade. Yung Metal Saga. Hintayin nyo nga pala guys, nag-order ako na Beyblade. Metal Fight, String Lancer, red tsaka blue. No? String Lancer ni Phoenix. Oh shoot! Panalo mo yan! Come on! You're so very 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 small. Danay to. Oh, binok. Oh, come on! Sucks! Come on, baby! Sucks talaga. Wow, what a hit that. Oh, hold on. Panalo mo yan! Very very aggressive. Danay to. Oh. Again. Bro. Come on. Panalo mo naman yan, pare. Bigat mo nga, oh. Hindi mo pa napapatay. Speed steal test. Wow, very very sucks. So guys, hindi ko nga pala binili hell site. Mahal kasi 800. Ito. Ay, may kasama launcher. Panalo mo yan. Wow. Another jumping bay. That's crazy. Pansaks nga lang ng stamina. Hindi. So, guys, yun lang naman ang ating unboxing ng Takeo Xiaomi Beyblade. Look at that. Oh. So, yeah, very, very decent attack type. Hindi nga lang siya super aggressive. Kasi nga, wala tayong Beyblade X Stadium. So, yeah. Fortunately, hindi ko pala siya malakas. Hindi ko nakuha yung price bay. Yeah, very, very nice. So, yeah. Yun lang naman. Goodbye.